This podcast is presented by NXAI, your partner for time series foundation models and physical AI.
Hello, everybody, and welcome to a new episode of our Industrial AI podcast. It's Thursday morning, and for sure you are waiting for your episode. But I'm afraid I have to disappoint you. We have received some exclusive news, but it can't go live until Friday. So we are postponing the episode by a day. In the meantime, consider taking part in AI in the Alps in summer, or AI on the volcano at Vitron in October, or join us as we travel to the most exciting AI hotspots in November. This time we are heading to Paris. If you need further information, do not hesitate to contact us. Thank you for your understanding. See you on Friday. All the best, Robert.